Good morning, guys. What's up, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, December 1st. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. It's like 10:05, and I'm here at Burlington's Coat Factory. I'm surprised they're actually open this morning this early. Usually, stores don't really open until around 12 during the day. But anyways, I'm glad that they're open. I just wanted to come by. And as you can see by the title, I kind of wanted to bring you guys along with me when I shop for my Christmas tree decor. So I got my tree, as you saw in my last vlog. So I need to dress it up. I need to go get some decor. So I kind of wanted to bring you guys along with me to shop for the decor, because I kind of want this to be a decorate my tree with me type of video. So yeah, that's what this is supposed to be. But I'm just going to bring you guys along to see what we can find for the tree.
You know it's Christmas. Was made for children.
Yeah, alright.
And I got my baby. Yeah, baby. You feel me?
What?
Miss JDX.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. There Christmas, a baby gave me. Every clothes shades and Tommy belly ring.
Nice.
7 Christmas, a baby gave me. Nice fight club and heat myself in face. 60th Christmas, a baby gave me. Crop jacket with dirty little jeans. 50th Christmas, a baby gave me. Going back and roll for me. Feeling like a jump.
Alright guys, so I'm finally back, and here is my tree so far. Really dry, really boring looking. I already put the skirt on here. I think in the last clip, I don't know if I showed you guys the skirt when I grabbed it, but yeah, I got this little tree skirt from Burlington Coat Factory. I thought it was going to be too big, which it is kind of big, but I'm making it work. But yeah, this is a tree. It's a 6-foot tree. I got it from Target. Super cute. So I'm about to transform this tree. Here are my things that I am going to be using. I just went to a couple stores and got these ornaments and picks and stuff. So I'll kind of just go through where I got all of this stuff from. So these little fluffy things, which I think are so cute, I got these from Michael's. I watched this other girl's YouTube video, and she said she got a lot of picks from Michael's. And I'm so glad that I went, because all of their stuff is 50 to 70% off. All the Christmas decor is 50 to 70% off. So yeah, that's where I got those little things. I also got this ribbon from Michael's. Y'all, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this ribbon, but we're gonna work it out, and we're gonna figure something out. I got these little picks right here. These and these I got from the At Home store. I got these ornaments right here from the At Home store. My tree topper is from TJ Maxx, TJ Maxx, yes. These balls right here are from Walmart. I thought they were so cute because they matched my decor. These sticks or picks right here I got from Michael's as well. Yeah, and I also got some lights that I'm going to put on my balcony. But yeah, so we're gonna put all of this stuff on this tree, and we'll see how it turns out.